Today I am going to do a little experiment. I've been wanting to build a portable studio setup for a while, filming setup, and very quickly I've got an iPad and a few bits and pieces to do that. And I just want to experiment today if I can quickly whip together some footage on my phone and edit it with my iPad without the use of a Mac computer. Just very simple, very basic, but still with good quality gear. So let's have a bit of a look. Well, first, for every shoot, one of the key things that is often overlooked is the weather. So this is why I have got this beautiful waterproof bag by Agua IP3. It is stormproof and it is designed to basically be able to withstand the elements with all your gear. Now, the great thing about the Agua IP3 is the fact that it's very durable. You've got a couple of compartments to it. Let's have a look. So look, there's your main compartment there. You've got enough room for a laptop or an iPad. And then you've got plenty of storage room at the bottom there and a little zipper for SD cards and bits and pieces. So that's a key storage compartment there. Then on the sides, you've got your, theoretically, your camera storage, but you can store GoPro stuff in there. You've got that nice waterproof sealed compartment in there. So I can fit a few bits and pieces in there. Next, for the camera gear. So here I have my little GoPro cases. And in these cases I have my Hero 9s. I've got two Hero 9s there. So a little protective case. Got my Magic Mouse 2 in there. I've got my 2 spare batteries and 2 in the camera, so 4 total. Then I've got my media mod bag where I've just got a couple of little extras. Actually, I've chucked those in the other bag anyway, so I might pull those out. But in this one I've got my little media mod just for locations, and I've got my AirPods, which can be used as a microphone as well, which is great, so you can get good audio from those. Yeah, and the reason I got the media mod is just so I can then connect my, let's get this one out, I can then connect my mini Rode, my little lapels together. So that's my lapel setup, just in case when I'm on the road. They're great little things, so portable, so light, nothing like what they used to be. Okay, and then next I have just a backup hard drive in there as well, a Seagate. I've got my accessories bag, which just has a few stands, mounts, head mounts, jaws mounts, a few stick-ons and a wrist mount, a few other bits and pieces. Tripod, little extendable stick, whatever you call them. And then finally, I have the iPad Pro. So iPad Pro 12 with the Magic Keyboard, and this is just a little beautiful setup, and I'm very keen to see just what the editing feature is going to be like on this little bad boy. I also have 2 Manfrotto tripods, which are fantastic. It's always fun trying to film these things with you without a stand or anything else, just on a phone, but it shows you the way technology's gone these days. So yeah, here we have 2 Manfrotto stands, and the only camera I'm going to be using is GoPros. So as you can see, I've got the attachment there for the GoPro connected. Very simple stands, not too heavy. You can bring 1, you can bring 2, depending on your shooting location. Okay, now how to pack this in our little portable studio bag. Alright, so first of all, let's just grab our iPad. Ooh, yeah, don't forget the magic pencil. And we're just going to open this up, and we're just shoving that in there. Little pocket. So I've never done that before. So yeah, you've got your iPad in there. Then what I can do is this little side bag here. I can open that up, and let's see what I can shove in there. That in. I'm going to shove that in. So there you have it, all your bits and pieces in that bag. And today, this is what we'll be doing our filming on. The 010X which is a great little scooter. So we're just gonna mount our camera onto the bar here and get a bit of footage on this thing. Actually changed my mind. I think I'm gonna take the 9-bot Max instead. Couldn't be bothered putting the other one in the car. And there you have it, folks. My mobile recording studio. As you can see, on my back, all ready to go. Let's go get some footage now. Okay, here we are at the Manipi Parklands, and I decided to come here because it was closer to home, and just in case it rains, I don't think that will matter. It looks like it's about to bucket down and storm pretty hardcore very soon. I guess I'll really get to test out this waterproof bag, if it is really stormproof. All right, let's do this. Well, here I am. As you can see, I made it to Carindale Shops in the background, and yeah, pretty much just to go on with this, all I'm really using at the moment is my iPhone for some video. I'm using my AirPods as a lapel, so I'm not even really using much of my gear at all, and I'm using one of the GoPro Hero 9s with a Jaws mount. As you can see right here, got it situated on the scooter. Still got my backpack if I need stuff. And it hasn't rained yet, thankfully, so I haven't needed to test out the stormproof bag yet. So we will keep going back to the car now.